Take a look at this snake. This is Australia for you. Yeah, I'm not getting too close. Yeah. Look at that. It's curled up there. No, sir. That is massive. Oh, it's slowly moving now. Yeah. So I think this is a python. Yeah. Oh, it's tall. Look at that. The head is way up there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's two of them. Holy shit. Look. Look at that one over there curled up. Look. What the shit? Look at this one. We didn't see this one. It's gone in the bush there now. Could it be a male and a female?
Yeah, that's a female. Don't disturb it, bro.
Holy shit. Welcome to Australia.